And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 9. Let me show you how you can create rectangles. Just hover to the left hand side where the tools are and then go down. The tooltip should show you where these basic tools are. Left click on it. The first one is the rectangle tool. If you hover over that icon, you can actually see the short keys. Most important for us are Shift and Control. If you just left click without holding any keys, it's a free-form drag. But let me give that a different fill color so that we can see it better. I just click here on the top left, go to swatches, make it red. And the stroke color I set to none, which is this white rectangle with a red stroke. So again, we have a freeform drag here. But if you try to create a square where width and height are the same, it's pretty hard. But you can easily do that while holding Shift. So if you left click drag and then hold Shift, it's going to lock the aspect ratio, and for new rectangles this makes this the same. When you hold Control, you can see it switches the origin point. So without Control, it starts where you click, and then you can create this rectangle into any direction. But if you hold Control while you do that, this is going to be the center point. So wherever you click, this is the center point of your rectangle. Another shortcut that's important is if you have already an element created, in this case a rectangle, just hover over it, hold Alt and then left click drag, and this allows you to drag a copy out of there. All of these rectangles are still editable. You can hover over the little circles here on the edges and the center positions and then left click drag, and there you go. And you can actually also use the shortkeys, so a rectangle that was already created can be adjusted at the same time. Let us hold Shift. You can see it keeps the aspect ratio yet again. We don't get a perfect square, so width and height are not the same, but it's still locked. So it takes the aspect ratio that was there for the original, or in this case, for the already created rectangle, and then locks this. And same goes for Control. If you left click drag, it's going to expand it from the center position and not where you drag. You can obviously give them different colors. And you can also give it a stroke color. Once you've done that, you might not see it. You have to go right here to the stroke weight. This, for example, the slider, make it bigger, and then you can see the stroke. If you don't want to have a stroke, you can go to 0, but the best way to ensure that it's definitely without a stroke is to use this white rectangle with a red stroke. And these are the basics of creating rectangles in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.